Muon wobble possible door to supersymmetric universe. Datum 20050828. How fast do fundamental particles wobble? A surprising answer to this seemingly inconsequential question has come out of Brookhaven National Laboratory in New York, USA, and may not only indicate that the standard model of particle physics is incomplete but also that our universe is filled with a PR. The belt of Venus over the valley of the moon. Datum 20060723. Although you've surely seen it, you might not have noticed it during a cloudless twilight, just before sunrise or after sunset. Part of the atmosphere above the horizon appears slightly off color, slightly pink, called the belt of Venus. This off-color band between the dark eclipse sky and the Veil Nebula. Wisps of an exploded star. Datum 20170919. Wisps like this are all that remain visible of a Milky Way star. About 7,000 years ago that star exploded in a supernova, leaving the Veil Nebula. At the time, the expanding cloud was likely as bright as a crescent moon, remaining visible for weeks to people living at the dawn of recorded history. An Alaskan volcano erupts. Datum 20060607. What is happening to that volcano? It's erupting. The first person to note that the Aleutian Cleveland volcano was spewing ash was astronaut Jeffrey N. Williams aboard the International Space Station. Looking down on the Alaskan Aleutian Islands 2 weeks ago, Williams noted, photographed, and International Space Station Trail. Datum 2001-214. Still under construction. The International Space Station is becoming one of the brightest, fastest moving stars in the heavens, despite illuminated clouds and bright light from a nearly full moon. Lower left. This 5-minute time exposure easily captures the space station's trail as it arcs through the Helix Nebula in hydrogen and oxygen. Datum 2019-0213. Is the Helix Nebula looking at you? No, not in any biological sense. But it does look quite like an eye. The Helix Nebula is so named because it also appears that you are looking down the axis of a helix. In actuality, it is now understood to have a surprisingly complex geometry, including radial phi.